The receiver RX unit will be mounted on or just above the DOT Snell decal on the back of the helmet. Clean this area. Remove the plastic strip from the tape on the bracket and attach the bracket to the helmet, pressing firmly, starting in the middle and moving outwards. Bring the light itself down from the top until you hear it click in. Remove the RX unit from the mounting bracket. Press the bracket release button and pull the RX unit vertically up out of the bracket. Then install batteries in both the receiver RX and the transmitter TX units. Turn the RX on by holding the button for 2 seconds. The light will turn on. Wait for the fast flashing of the RX unit to change to a slow flash. This indicates that the RX unit has started successfully and has completed its self-diagnostic. The TX automatically selects single mode. When you hardwire, you have a choice, single mode or dual mode via the manual switch on your TX. Be sure to turn off the TX when using battery-only mode to conserve batteries when motorcycle or snowmobile is not in use. You'll notice from your kit, there will be a set of L-shaped brackets. You've got to attach those to the side of the transmitter. The transmitter needs to be set level. It also has a self-leveling system built into it. The heads-up braking system is designed to be mounted on your bike or ATV 2 different ways. You can hardwire it into your motorcycle, or you can run it strictly on batteries. When you do that, you don't necessarily get all of the features of the hub system, but you get the majority of them. That's a great feature if you have more than one bike. Now, the advantage of hardwiring is you do pick up a few more features, like trailer mode. Most riders use their gears to slow down. If you downshift with the hub system attached, hardwired in, one of the things you'll notice is it will trigger a beep or 2 on the light indicating you're decelerating. And it will activate the factory brake light on the motorcycle and the helmet light. Those are important features, and those are the benefits of hardwiring it in to your motorcycle. The TX comes with a wiring harness with 4 wires. All these wires are labeled for you. It is best to solder these wire connections, then tape and insulate the resulting connections. The blue harness wire is attached to the vehicle's wire, which powers the rear brake light of your motorcycle or ATV. The green wire from the harness is attached to the motorcycle's wire, which comes on only when the ignition is turned on. Never attach any wire directly to the ignition wire or the ignition switch. The black wire is attached to the motorcycle's ground, not the battery. The red wire is attached to the positive terminal of your battery post for 12-volt on-demand power for the trailer mode operation. You are good to go. You've completed the heads-up braking system install. Good job.